What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys you're doing great and I hope you're having an amazing weekend. Today I'm gonna show you why pending orders are the best when trading Forex, why they're better than market execution, and why we are only using pending orders in our signal group. Okay, so if you are interested in today's video, make sure to stick till the end to get the most value out of it. Okay, but before we start a video, as y'all know, if you want to stay in touch with what I upload every single week, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on to not miss out on any future uploads. Also, feel free to check out my free signal group. You can join it by clicking the link down below. If you want to sign up with the broker I use, you can sign up through the link down below. And also, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. And if you want to learn my strategy or book a one-on-one session with me, you can DM me privately on Telegram by clicking the link down in the video description. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. So let's take Euro USD as an example. As you can see, when we come here, the first thing that appears here is market execution. That means that if I click buy right now, I'm going to enter a buy on Euro USD right now in this certain moment. But if I click market execution, I can see that I have all these options here. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Okay, so in the signal group, y'all know that we only use buy and sell limits. And I'm going to show you exactly what buy limit means. Okay, so let's say, for example, okay, on Euro USD, we can see that price is literally right here, okay, at 1.04145. If I want to enter a buy limit, if I want to enter a buy when price retraces at 1.03850, I can do that by entering a buy limit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click buy limit and I'm gonna click here 3850, 1.03850. okay. And what that does, after I click place, I'm going to have a pending buy limit order right, let me show you, right here, okay, right here. So when price will retrace back to this area at 850, it will automatically open my trade, and then I can input the stop loss and take profit for that certain trade. Okay, so it's very, very easy to do. And the beautiful part about it is because after you place the order, you can forget about it. You can forget about it and wait till you see if price will hit your pending order, and then if you hit your stop loss or take profit. Okay, that's for buy limit. Now for sell limit, it's the exact same thing. Okay, so for sell limit, for example, let's say you want to enter a sell limit right here at 1.04400. So you'll say in your analysis that, okay, price will go up here and maybe it will retrace this zone on Euro USD. So that's why you want to enter a sell limit at that level. What you do, you come here, you click sell limit, and then you will input this number, the stop loss, take profit, and then all you have to do is wait. The price will automatically trigger your trade. You don't have to sit on the charts and wait till the price gets here in order to enter a sell. You can just use the sell limit for it. Okay, so now that I explained what sell limit and buy limit are, because these are the main ones that we use, we do not use buy stops and sell stops. Now let me show you what buy stop and sell stop means. Okay, so for buy stop, let's say you want to enter a buy after this high right here gets broken. Okay, exactly when this high breaks, that's where you want to enter a buy. Instead of staying on the charts and wait till price breaks that high there, what you can do, you can come here and click buy stop, and then you input the price that is right here, 1.04750, stop loss, take profit, and then once price breaks this high and triggers this price, you will automatically be in the trade. Okay, that's how beautiful it is, and it's very simple to use. And the exact same thing for sell limit. So let's say you would have entered a sell stop, sorry. You would have entered a sell stop after this low right here breaks. This middle one right here, let me show you. Okay, after this one breaks, you would have want to enter a sell. So you enter sell stop, okay, and you enter the price that is right here, 1.04309. Then you would have placed your stop loss and take profit, and once price would have been here, you would have been automatically hit in the trade. You would have automatically been tapped in the trade, and then the trade would have run in either directions. Okay, so this is how you can use pending orders. You come here, you click here, you have market execution. If you want to change it, you can change it. It is very simple to use and very self-explanatory. Okay, so now I'm gonna hop on my desktop and I'm gonna show you a example of a pending order that was sent literally yesterday in my signal group. And yeah, I will show you exactly when I sent it so that you can see that it was plenty of time before it actually triggered, and then the process after. All right, so I will see you all on the desktop. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. Alright guys, so now I am back at my desktop and I want to show you an example of a pending order that was sent in the VIP on the 29th of June, which was 2 days ago. There's plenty of signals sent there every single day, so feel free to check the group out. But yeah, I basically sent a sell limit on Euro USD. Okay, the signal was sent at 8:50 in the morning my time. I will attach a screenshot right now so you can see when I sent the signal, which was around right here, where this candle was right here. So let me use the bar replay. So this is where I send the signal. Okay, I just woke up, I was analyzing, and this is where I send the signal. And I send the signal of what? Of a sell limit pending order with the entry at 1.05260, stop loss at 1.05360, and then I send the take profits. All right, after that, I just left the charts. I just left the MT4 because I entered my pending order, and now all I had to do is to wait for it to get triggered. Okay, so let's see what happens. At 9 o'clock, I send the pending order. Let's see when it triggers. So it triggered at 12 o'clock, so 3 hours after. It triggered, and it was literally a sniper entry, as you can see. So that's the beauty of pending orders, and that's why I only send pending orders, is because like this, people are able to take them in time. Okay, and everyone can take them, because if I send market executions, it's gonna be so tough for everyone to get the signal in time, because sometimes I might enter a buy and then the price might go up very, very fast, and it's not beneficial for any of us. Okay, especially for you. So that's why I did this. I'm pretty sure like right now, this is the only group, my group, that sends only pending orders. We had 20 played trades this last week, which was insane. That's literally like 4 trades every single day that played out. Okay, so like that's insane. 4 trades a day is very, very good. I'm gonna actually show a screenshot of that as well right now. And then as you can see, we got tapped in here. No need for us to be on MT4 because we already had our pending order set. And after that, as you can see, this trade was went beautifully in our way and hit take profit 3 as well. I'm gonna attach a picture right now so you can see the updates that were sent in the group. And this is what I do for every single pair. Okay, like it's just an example that I choose to show. We have another example on AUD/USD that literally was a sniper entry, a buy limit. Okay, buy limit was sent around here and it was triggered around here like 4 or 5 hours after. Very beautiful trade. Okay, so same exact thing. Okay, only pending orders, because why? Like this, everyone can input them in time, and after you input them, there's nothing else to do. You just let them run. You select your take profit, you select your stop loss, and that's pretty much it. Like it's so easy. And that's why I wanted to create a video about it, to actually show people why pending orders are actually better than market executions, because I know a lot of people have jobs, have kids, have family, have a lot of other stuff to do, okay? So it's very hard for them to be non-stop active on Telegram to see, oh, he just sent a signal now, let me get straight into the charts, and then, oh, the market moved already, I missed the signal. No, that's not what I want to do, okay? Because that's ultimately not going to be helpful for any of the people that want to get help from me, okay? So that's why I only send pending orders, because like this, everything is very, very transparent. I send the signal and everyone has like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 1 day to input that signal in till it gets tapped in. And after that, everything is pretty much done. Like there's no need for you to stay on the charts anymore. You just enter the buy limit or the sell limit, and then you just wait to see how it plays out. Okay, so yeah, this was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. I always make sure to reply to every single one of you. And yeah, as I said, feel free to share and like the video. That will be very much appreciated. And do not forget to have the notification bell turned on to not miss out on any of my future uploads. All right, I wish everyone a very good day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.